In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept money on PayPal effortlessly and within minutes. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com or click the direct link from the video description below. Once on the PayPal homepage, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. It's crucial to ensure that these details are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. After filling in your information, click the login button to proceed. Once you're logged in, it's vital to make sure that your email address is verified within your PayPal account. Having a verified email guarantees that you can receive money without any hitches. If there is a verification prompt, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Next, provide your verified email address or mobile number to the individual who will be sending you money. Ensure they have the correct details to prevent any transfer issues. After the sender has successfully sent the money to your PayPal account, you will receive a notification confirming that funds are now available. With the funds in your account, you have some options. You can opt to transfer the funds to a linked bank account for easy accessibility. To do this, navigate to the transfer section in PayPal, select the bank account you want to transfer to, and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Alternatively, you may choose to keep the money in your PayPal balance. This allows you to use the funds for online shopping or other transactions directly via your PayPal account. If you prefer a more proactive approach to receiving funds, PayPal offers an option to request money. Look for the Request Money feature on your account dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in the sender's email address. Enter the email address of the person you wish to request money from. Next, specify the amount you would like to request and add a note, if necessary, to provide context for the request. Finally, click the Request a Payment button to send your request. The recipient will receive a notification, and once they approve the request, the money will be transferred to your PayPal account. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can now confidently accept money through PayPal. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.